Hello kids, welcome back to our English class. So today we are going to learn a new lesson called Animal Search. Please open page number 99. Here you can see a lesson called Animal Search. So before learning this lesson, we will read it once. See here, you have learnt about wild animals and domestic animals. Now let us learn a little more about other kinds of animals around us. Birds. Birds have 2 legs, 2 wings. They have feathers on their body to keep them warm. They eat with their beaks and fly with their wings. Birds like the hen give us eggs which we can eat. So see, some of the birds are here: parrot, crow, pigeon, sparrow, hen. Water animals. Water animals live in water. Some fish like shark are very big. The seahorse is a fish. Its head looks like a horse. The octopus is a water animal with 8 arms. The blue whale is the world's largest animal. See here, do you know? So here are some facts that we probably don't know. Fish can breathe underwater. Did you know this? The ostrich is a huge bird which cannot fly. Now let's read about reptiles. Some animals are called reptiles. They have a rough skin. Most of them live on land. Some of them, like the crocodile and the turtle, live on land and in water. Tortoise, lizard, this one is snake. Let's read about insects. There are many insects around us. They have 6 legs. Some insects can fly. They have thin wings. Others move on land or swim in water. Flies and mosquitoes spread diseases. This is butterfly, this is housefly, and this one is mosquito. Now let's learn about this lesson. So this is about animal search. This lesson is about animal search. We are going to learn about different kinds of animals, birds and insects. So you have learnt about wild animals and domestic animals. I have already taught you about wild animals which live in jungle, domestic animals which you can keep at your home or near your home. Wild animals like tiger, giraffe, elephant, etc. Can you keep these animals at your home? No, you cannot keep zebra, tiger, elephants at your home. Domestic animals like cat, dog, etc. you can keep those at your home or near your home. So now we know about wild animals and domestic animals. Now let's read about and learn about what kind of animals, different kinds of animals around us. Birds. Birds have 2 legs and 2 wings. Birds means pakshi. Birds means pakshi. Birds have 2 legs. How many legs do birds have? Birds have 2 legs. See, here you can see these all birds have 2 legs, right? They have 2 legs and 2 wings. See, this is wing. पंख, हम इसे पंख बोलते हैं. They eat with their beaks and fly with their wings. They eat with their beaks. This is beak. This one is beak. इसे हम चोंच बोलते हैं. And they fly with their wings. वो कैसे उड़ते हैं? अपने पंखों से उड़ते हैं. They eat with their beaks. वो खाना कैसे खाते हैं? With their beaks. Can you see this? They pick up their food with the help of their beaks. अपने चोंच से खाना उठाते हैं और खाते हैं. And fly with their wings. How do they fly? With the help of their wings. They fly with the help of their wings. Birds like the hen give us eggs which we can eat. Birds like hen give us eggs which we can eat. Usually all the birds give eggs, but most of the people eat hen's egg, right? So birds give us what? Eggs to eat. So this was about birds. Birds have how many legs? 2 legs and 2 wings. They have feathers on their bodies to keep them warm. So now let's learn about water animals. Now we read about and learnt about birds. Now let's move to water animals. Water animals live in water. Water animals live in water. Water animal कहाँ रहते हैं? In water. See here, these are the water animals like whale, seahorse, shark, fish and octopus, and many kinds of water animals are there. Some fish like the shark are very big. See, this one is fish. This one is also fish, but we call it shark because it is a different kind of fish. So some fish like shark are very big. Sharks are very big and very dangerous also. The seahorse is a fish. See, this one is seahorse. Seahorse is a fish. Can you see this? This is also a fish. Its head looks like a horse. Now tell me, why do we call it as seahorse? ये क्यों seahorse कहलाता है? Because its head looks like horse. That's why we call it seahorse. The octopus is a warm water animal with octopus is a water animal with 8 arms. How many arms do octopuses have? 8 arms. Can you see this octopus? Octopus is a water animal. It lives in water. It is a water animal. It has 8 arms. How many arms? It has 8 arms. The blue whale is the world's largest animal. See here, this is blue whale. This one is world's largest animal. ये दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा प्राणी है. कौन सा प्राणी दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा प्राणी है? ब्लू व्हेल. दिस वन. ये दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा प्राणी है. द ब्लू व्हेल इज द वर्ल्ड्स largest animal. Understood? So we learnt about birds and water animal. Water animals live in water. So see here, some facts are there. Do you know fish can breathe underwater? Kids, can you tell me, can you breathe underwater? No, humans cannot breathe underwater. But fish can breathe underwater. How? That you will learn in your coming grades like 3rd grade, 4th grade or 5th grade. Now you should only know that fish can breathe underwater. Fish पानी के नीचे सांस ले सकती है. The ostrich is a huge bird. Ostrich is a huge bird. Ostrich एक बड़ा सा पक्षी है which cannot fly, जो उड़ नहीं सकता. You need to see ostrich egg. They are also very big in size. Reptiles. Reptiles. Some animals are called reptiles. They have rough skin. Most of them live on land. Some of them like the crocodile and turtle live on land and in water. Reptiles means ये वो प्राणी है जो जमीन पे सरपटते हैं. Some animals are called reptiles. They have rough skin. इनकी skin rough होती है. They have rough skin. Most of them live on land. ज़्यादातर reptiles ज़मीन पर रहते हैं. Some of them like crocodile and turtle live on the land and in water. कुछ reptiles ज़मीन पे भी रहते हैं और पानी में भी रहते हैं. For example, crocodile, मगरमच्छ, and turtle. They live on the land and in water. So these are some reptiles: tortoise, lizard, and snake. Now let's learn about insects. Insects means कीड़े. There are many insects around us. You must have seen many insects around us. You must have seen many insects around you. They have 6 legs. How many legs? 6 legs. इन कीड़ों के कितने पाँव रहते हैं? 6 रहते हैं. 6 पाँव रहते हैं. Insects have 6 legs. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They have thin wings. उनके पंख बहुत ही पतले रहते हैं. For example, ants don't have wings, but some of the insects have wings. Some insects can fly, like bee, butterfly, housefly. See, they have very thin wings. उनके पंख बहुत ही पतले रहते हैं. Others move on land or swim in water. बाकी जो इंसेक्ट्स हैं वो या तो ज़मीन पर रहते हैं या फिर पानी में तैरते रहते हैं. Flies and mosquitoes spread diseases. Flies and mosquitoes, houseflies and mosquitoes are very common insects, so you can see them very easily around you. But do you know that housefly and mosquitoes spread diseases? Did you know that? Housefly मक्खियाँ और जो मच्छर रहते हैं उनसे बहुत सारी बीमारियाँ हो सकती हैं. So you should be safe from these insects. Ant also bites us. Bees also sting us. If you harm them, if you go to harm them, they sting you. Cockroaches also not good for us. They also spread diseases. So this was about insects, reptiles, water animals and birds. So this was about the lesson called Animal Search. In previous lesson we learnt about wild animals and domestic animals. In this lesson we learnt about birds which have 2 legs, 2 wings. They have feathers on their body which keep them warm. इनके जो पंख रहते हैं उससे वो गर्म रहते हैं. They eat with their beaks and fly with their wings. Birds like hen give us what? Eggs. Water animals live in water. Some fish like the shark are very big. Shark is a big fish. Seahorse is a fish whose head looks like a horse. Octopus is also a water animal which has 8 arms. The blue whale is world's largest animal. Then reptiles. Reptiles, they have rough skin. Most of them live on land and some of them live on land as well as in water. Then we learned about insects. There are many insects around us. They have how many legs? 6 legs. Some can fly and some of them have very thin wings. Other insects move on land or swim in the water. Flies and mosquitoes spread diseases. So this was about the lesson called Animal Search. So in next lesson we will solve the exercise related this one. So your homework is you need to read this lesson. Okay. So we'll meet in next class. Till then, take care.